this trucker, there are 4 blind spots. Left side, right side, front, and back. Trying to keep good space. The pace is moving pretty good, so I just want to back off. We're in no hurry. We have our petrol. We got our coffee in the morning. And you see me holding on. Let's speak about this. The centrifugal force is pulling me to the right or straight off the road. So I'm trying to lift my foot, but a lot of beginners will go 10 to 15 under the limit, and then they're going to hold up traffic. So we don't want to do that. We want to stay with the flow. We do not want to create an obstruction. I'm trying to be as smooth as possible and just take my time. I always check mirrors, not just because I'm making a video for beginning drivers, but I'm trying to keep good speed and good space. And we're heading out of the country, so you're going to have a lot more trucks, a lot more cars, and I'm just before rush hour, so you have to have a plan. If you enjoyed this, follow, subscribe, give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate all of you. Bye.